This machine is professional rower machine, very high quality, very heavy duty, fully commercial, and have a different program on it. Let me to demonstrate. This guy, you can adjust based on your size of your feet. You can make this one bigger and smaller. You can make this one shorter and longer by adjusting this guy. So we want to start for now. You guys understand how this works. So when you see, normally this is the degree of the how you want to make it tense or loose. You can go all the way till 12, or you can go all the way till 1. So as long as you start, as you see in the screen, can you Anya show in the screen? As you see, the screen is active, and you can check each item have a different. This is the time of working. You can connect your Bluetooth. This is the distance you go. This is the calorie, and then as long as you enter, everything will be start to work for you. You can increase the resistance from here or decrease resistance from here, or you can do it manually on this part. Anytime you come to start, you can reset the program. Everything will be 0 again, and then you enter, it will be a start to work for you. So when you start to work, after finishing, you can see whatever the result you got. This is the demonstration for rower machine.